How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to change your country on your Amazon Prime Video account. So the very first thing that you want to do, if you're going to be doing this via your mobile device, the actual process is going to be the same. So you won't have to do anything from the Prime Video because it will just automatically lead you into your Amazon account. So all you have to do is just open up Amazon.com's official site, and once you're here, make sure that you logged in. Now hover your mouse into Accounts and List and then click on Account. Now from the Account tab, choose on your addresses, and this is where all your addresses that you registered into your Amazon Prime Video account will show up. For you to change it, just simply choose on this edit option, and you can also choose on adding a new address. And that is how you change country and Amazon Prime Video.